Today we'll show you how to use automatic dubbing. Okay, just follow the steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, go to your channel and go here to YouTube Studio, and now go to settings, and now go to channel. Okay guys, and go to advanced settings. Okay, after this you can put it down, put it down, put it down. He will be now you like this. Okay, automatic dubbing, just click to allow dubbing. If you want like manual review dubbing before publishing, like you can see your dubbing before publish. Okay, like you can listen and like private dubbing before this video. Okay, like manual, and you can choose all language or only extremate language only, like French, English, Chinese, Hind, Rush, like this, and all language like Arabic, Italian, all language, guys. Okay, so now just click, just I click allow automatic dubbing because I don't have to manual it. Okay, now just click to close. Okay, and you can find it here like automatic dubbing. Here you can find all your videos like dubbing. Did you see, guys? This is a first video just like this, and you will be, wait 1 second, guys. Sorry, because I don't save. This is the settings. Okay, no problem. Okay, just okay, now click to my video, and you will be seeing now it's processing, creating a dubbing of my video like Arabic, Bangladesh, Dutch, Netherlands, French, France, German, Hebrew, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Malaysian, Polish, all. Okay, okay guys, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.